So let's move on to class. So last class we had discussed about what is git, some commands, right? So which commands we discussed? Git clean, git reset. Next, so git rebase, git merge. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last class we discussed a few commands, right? So what are those? So as of now we know these commands, right? So we know git init command and so git config. Next, git status, git add, git commit. Next, git log. Next, git remote, git remote, and git branch, AR and all. And so git branch name. Next, delete the branch. If you want to delete, git branch and so hyphen d, so branch name, correct? Branch name. Next, git merge command, git rebase command. Next, git pull command, git fetch, git fetch command, git fetch command. Next, so git clean command. Next, git reset, git reset. Okay. So already these commands already we discussed, right? So anything missing? Clear? And also git clone, right? Git clone command, git push command also. Clear? Anything missing? So already you know what is git init, git config, git status, git add, git commit, -m, message, git logs, and so git remote, git branch, how to create branch, and git checkout also. Git checkout, -b, branch name. Correct? Next, git right, git rebase, git pull command, git merge command, git pull, git fetch, and yesterday we discussed how to clone pull and fetch, and what is the git clean command, git reset command, and all. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here? So already these commands as of now we discussed. So anyone any doubt here? Hello? Clear?
Yes, sir. Please.
Okay. So now we'll see. So this continuation. Now, so already last class, so we have created, this is my repository, correct? This is my repository. And so now very, very important. So we are going to discuss what is git revert command, git revert command, git revert, git revert and commit ID, git revert and commit ID. So git revert and commit ID. Now try to understand. This is my central repository. Just assume. So this is your central workspace. And so this is your local workspace. Already know. So this is your local workspace. So this is the central and this is the local workspace and this is the central workspace. So what is this? Feb DevOps, our repository name 2023. And which branch? Already we have many branches. Just assume this is the master branch. Now, so with the help of right, so Git client, we can connect with your local workspace. your central workspace, correct? Git client software. So this is your Git client software, and so my same whatever code available here, same copy I am available here also, source code. Now just assume, so here I created one file, for example, any file. So for example, I created DevOps, so dash conf config file. I created one file, and so if you want to push this file, so mostly we are using few commands, right? So what are the commands? So if you want to, first which command you need to use?
Git
Git
add,
add
git
command,
add,
and
git
so
commit,
git commit hyphen
git
m,
push,
and we are
git
giving,
push.
and git push command. So git push hyphen u origin. Also, if you want to other than master, we need to use. If you say master branch directly, it will work. Push also. Now this file is available here also. Clear? This file is also available here also. Now try to see. So now, so this is the control C. I'm pasting here. So now same file. So we can see here also. I hope no doubt here. Now I added one file, or I created one file, or updated one file local, and so with the help of git push command, so you push this file to here. Okay, I modified. I pushed this file to central repository. So this is, right. This is the central. Same story only. This is the central workspace. So this is the central workspace, and this is your local workspace. This is your local workspace. Now I pushed these files, and now this file is available here. Once I pushed, I realized actually this is not actual file. By mistakenly, I selected this file and I pushed the central repository. Now got it right? Now this is the file. For example, you modified many files. So I pushed one file to central repository. Anyone, not only one, multiple files also. So I pushed file to central repository. Now after pushed, I realized. So actually this is not my actual file. Actually this is not my actual file. So unfortunately, I deleted my so I pushed the file. Unfortunately, I pushed my file. Unfortunately, I pushed my file. Now, what I need to do? Again, I want to revert back it. I don't want this file here. So for this file, already we have one commit ID also, right? Already we have commit ID. So for this file, already we have commit ID, correct? So while pushing, so while if you use a git commit, it is generating one commit ID. It is generating one commit ID. Now I pushed this file to central workspace. Once I pushed it, I realized actually I don't want this file here. I want to remove this file. Central means everyone can see this file. So actually this is not actual file. I want to revert back it. So how to revert back it? Now how to revert back it? So if you want to revert back, if you want to revert back your commit ID, so there is one command is that git revert and commit ID. Git revert and commit ID. I hope you got it right. So anyone any doubt here? So now I pushed this file, and this file also available in central repository. So actually this is not my file. This is the wrong file I pushed. I want to revert back it. I want to revert back it. So how to revert back it? If you want to revert back, so this is the command git revert and commit ID. Git revert and commit ID. Git revert and commit ID. Clear guys? So anyone any doubt here? Now same thing I am going to apply. I hope you got idea right? So anyone any doubt here?
No doubt, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Now coming to here, now see here. So go to here, and this is just assume this is my repository. Who is this? No waiting. Let me wait. Where is this? No. Mhm. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయమని చెప్పు. Okay. So can you see my screen? So now copy this URL, and coming to here, just assume just I'm creating one branch, and so branch, so I'm creating one directory. So test, I want to clone that existing repository. So how to clone it? What is the command? Already you know, right? What is the command?
Git clone
Mm, Same, git clone.
hyphen
If you want a
branching
specific branch, we can. Right now I don't have any specific, and
master.
so give it, and just I've given. Now code is available here. Now if you observe here, so this is my code ls cd space f. So anyone waiting here? I don't know. Someone is saying so they are waiting here. I can't see anyone. Which link he is trying to log in? Let me wait. I will reconnect it. 1 second. Mm, Okay. Mm, ఇదే కదా, మేబీ దీంట్లో ట్రై చేస్తున్నారు వాళ్ళు. ఓకే, నౌ లాగిన్. Now copy this. Or else so I'll give a proper link, this one, right? Copy video link, coming to here, just I'm pasting it. This is actual link. Okay. Mhm. Can you see my screen? Hello? Hello, can you see my screen? Hello, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so just now I cloned. Now this is my master branch. Right now I'm pointing which branch? Master. Now git log. How to check log and all? Git log. Already I had 3 commits. Now let me create one file for our understanding purpose. So what are the files? Already is there, right? Now I'm giving, for example, okay. So touch space git.txt file. So now git log. Now git log. So now git log. Now see here git log, or so I created a file, and how to add it? This is a which area? Tracking area or untracked area? Staging area or a working area? Git status. If you want to check anything, so whether that file is reside which area? Working area or
Untracked.
staging area?
Untracked.
Untracked. Now I want to move staging. Git add.
Yes.
Now same. Very important. Real time mostly we are using this one. If something missing by mistakenly, if you push any files to local to central repository, if you want to revert back it, this is the command. Git commit hyphen m. And so what is the file name? So created a git file just for our understanding purpose. Okay. So now git log. Now commit is see here. This is my latest commit ID. So this is my latest commit ID, and so now I'm going to push it. That's it. Git. This file can you see in my central repository as of now? Here we can't
No,
see.
no.
We can't see, right? So we can't see here. Now coming to here, just refresh it. So anyway, I can't see that newly created file here. As of now, I didn't push it. Just it is available in my local only. Now try it git push. Anyway, I am in master. I am using git push command. Okay. Now coming to here. So just refresh it. Sometimes we are getting this one. I am opening different browser. So here, okay. So now come here. That is browser problem. So click on here. Now see here, we can see git.txt file. So 1 minute ago, I pushed this file. Now, just now I pushed. So after pushed, I realized actually this is the actual file. By mistakenly, I pushed this file. Now I don't want this file central repository. I want to revert back it. So how can you revert back it? Now this is the central repository and this is my local repository. Now this is the local, my file is available and the files, my same file available central also. Now I want to revert back it. So how to revert back it? So there is a one command is there. This is the command. What is the command name? Git revert commit ID. Git revert commit ID. Now see here. So git log. So this is the commit. This is the commit, right? So last commit, this is my commit. I don't want this. Now copy this commit ID and so use the command. So now tell me git revert and commit ID. Now see here. Now it is asking. So revert. Now it is asking some message. Why do you want to revert? We need to give some proper message and all. If anyone see, they can easily understand. Changes to the committed, deleted git.txt. Or if you want to add any extra message also, we can add it. Okay. So this is the so wrong file. I am giving something for understanding purpose. Escape, shift colon, save and exit. Now this is the comment. This is the message actually, comment message. And see here, this revert commit. Which commit ID you are reverting? This is the commit ID. And if you want to add some more information, you can whatever you want, we can update here. This is a message. Okay. So anyway, that's it. Now, so git log. Check this. Now see here. This is your reverted commit ID. So this is the revert commit ID. Now coming to here. So now file is available here or not available? Anyone guess it? You're not working, right? So now
It
coming
won't
to here.
available.
So this is see here. So still file is available. Even I reverted. Now what is happening? I reverted commit ID. Now still it is reflected in our central repository. So reverted means this is a local, right? Commit. So I given git revert commit ID and local I deleted this file. But still it is not updated in our central repository. If you want to update whatever content available in my local, same thing if you want to update in central also. What is the command? Git push, right? So once revert is done, we need to use git push also. Git push master. Otherwise it won't reflect. Otherwise it won't reflect. Now see here, bunch. So that is track setup and all. Now coming to here. So now coming to here, just refresh it. Coming to here, see here. Now updated. Now updated. So if you want to revert, sometimes right in real time also, I also did 1 or 2 times for wrong files I committed. So by mistakenly we modified many files, right? By mistakenly we are doing some rare case, but every day we are not going to do like this. but some rare cases. So unfortunately, while selecting the file, so we selected so wrong file and I committed. Once that is done, after committed, so I realized, oh, this is actually not file, or else this is not my actual file. So that case again I am revert back it, that commit ID. So what is the command? So this is the command. So I hope now got it right. Git revert commit ID. So once the revert is done, next command, what is this? If you want to reflect in central repository, which command we need to use? Git push. We need to update it. Git push. So origin branch name. Otherwise, it won't reflect in our central. Only local it is updated. Same thing I want to update central also, right? So that case we need to use so push also. Anyone any doubt here? Very simple only, but try to understand. If you understand, this is very simple. Or else, right? This is very difficult to revert back. Why you revert back? Which it is going to revert. So there is many doubts. So anyone any doubt here? If you have doubt, I will create one more file. I will commit and again I will revert back it. If it is clear, I will move on to next command. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is one more command. Enter also very important. Revert. Now one more important command. Git cherry pick. Very important. So what is git cherry pick? Now you know already. You know git revert. You know git reset. You know git merge. You know git rebase. As of now, we learn many commands. They all are so basic commands, and these are the some advanced commands. So daily used commands and all. Now git cherry pick. Now try to understand. So already you know what is git merge and rebase. Anyone? What is git rebase and merge?
Merge, it will create one more, this one.
Main purpose. One line answer. That's it.
Uh,
Why? Which case we go for git merge and rebase? Both. What is main purpose? Both purpose. If you want to merge files from
It
uh,
can joining the files
one
from
branch to
Another.
another branch.
another branch. That's it. That's it. That is the answer. Exact answer. If you want to merge files from one branch to another branch, we go for merge or rebase. Remaining story
We
same only.
just it can generate one
That is
ID.
difference. That is
Okay.
differences. Okay. So the
Okay.
main story is if you want to merge files from one branch to another branch, go for git merge or git rebase.
Okay.
Correct? So my difference and all already you know. Now same story. Git cherry pick. Very important. Now see here. Just assume. This is my master branch or any branch, whatever it may be. Now I'm giving this is my master branch. And so from master branch, just assume here I created a few files. For example, already M1, you know, right? So M2, and so from this branch, I created one more branch. Just assume this is the future branch and release branch, whatever it may be. Now I created one more branch from master branch. So just assume this is the future branch. Right. So by default, how many files we can see here also? Whatever files available, whatever source code available in master, same thing we can see here also, correct? M1. Anyone any doubt here? If we create any branch from one branch, I c- so this is the master branch. In master already I have some files. Now I created one new branch, feature branch. So by default, how many files we can see here also? Two files. Not only two, whatever content available here, same thing we can see here also. Correct? Anyone any doubt here? Now I am going to create here two more files. Already in merge and all I explained same story only. Now assume. Now so in future branch I created extra three files. But these files can you see here? Master branch. Is it
No.
visible in master? No. Why? Obviously it won't reflect here also. So from master, I created feature branch. Now just assume, so here for each file I have one commit ID. Now assume just. So for this file I given one commit ID. For this file also I given one commit ID. So like this we have three commits, extra commits. So these commits we can't see in our master, correct? Now if you want to merge these files to master, which commands we can use? I want to merge these files to master, or maybe you created in master a one file. So this is a M3. If you want to merge this file to feature branch, so we can use what is the git commands? We can use anyone, right? We can use git merge, or we can use git rebase, correct? Yes or no? For example, I want to merge this M3 file to feature branch. We can use git merge master. For example, if you want to merge these three files to master, we can use git merge feature. If you use git merge feature means these three files automatically it will add to master branch. Up to here, okay. Now here scenario is what is the command? Git cherry pick. Git cherry pick command. So if you use git merge git rebase means it will merge all files or only one file.
All files.
All files. Now my scenario is I don't want to merge three files. Just assume I have 10 new files available here, newly created files. I don't want to merge all three files. I want to merge only F3, this commit ID only. I want to merge it. Or I want to merge only F2 commit, this file only. Or I want to merge only this file. So how to merge it? So how to merge it? Now clear? For example, you want to merge only this file, M3 file, newly created file. So how to merge it? I don't want all files. I don't want all commit IDs. I don't want to merge all commits. I want to merge only specific commit ID. So how to merge it? So that case, so this is the command git cherry pick and commit ID. Clear? So which commit you want to merge? So we need to pass only that particular commit ID. That's it. I hope you got it right. We don't want to merge all commits. If you use git merge or if you use git rebase, it will merge all commits. Whatever new commits available here, it will merge all commits. Now my scenario is my target. I don't want to merge all commits. I want to merge only specific commit ID. Only specific commit ID. So if you want to merge only specific commit ID, and that case we go for a git merge git cherry pick command. Now let me see here. I'm going to create one more. What are the branches? Let me check it here. Git branch hyphen. So here, so these are the branches. Clear the screen. Git branch hyphen a all. So now I'm in master branch. Now I'm in master branch and also test also is there. Feature also is there. I'm going to create a dev branch. I'm going to create dev branch. Now if you master branch, so here how many files we can see here? Three files. Now check the log also. Uh, okay, only three is there, right? So now I want to create one more branch. What is the command? Git branch, or we can use checkout. Git checkout hyphen b and dev branch. I want to create dev. Now I'm creating dev branch. Now here also how many files we can see by default? It is inherited from master only, right? Whatever content available in master, same thing. It also we can see in dev also. Now here I am going to create two more files. Now let me see. Now see three, right? Now see touch. I am giving to so D1 for your understanding. D1 txt file. Okay. Git add git status. This is untracked file. So git add staging. I moved. Now git status. Now I am using git commit hyphen m. So d1 dot d1 file commit I give message and all I given d1. Now git push hyphen b sorry hyphen u origin which branch dev branch. Now done. Now same way I'm going to create one more file, one more commit. Touch space d2.txt d2.txt git add dot git commit hyphen m. Just I'm giving a d2 git push hyphen u origin dev branch. Okay, now check the log, git log. Now see here. So now see here up to here, these are the master commits. Now these two are in dev branch commits. Now same way I'm going to create one more commit ID. So I'm going to create so understanding purpose same I am giving so D means dev related files. That's it. So git status untracked git add git status next git commit hyphen m and so d3 commit message and all I given d3 simply. Now git push dev branch. Now here which name I given dev. Just assume this name is I given dev branch. This name I given dev branch. That's it. Remaining story same only. So this name I given dev branch. Okay. Now here file names and all I given d1 d2 d3 d1 d2 d3. Okay. Leave it. Now if you want to merge these files to master, what is the command? Tell me. So tell me now I'm in dev branch. If you want to merge master means first you switch to master. Git as to switch tch switch switch master. Now we switch it to master branch. Now here we can see only 3 files. But if we see in dev, we have total 6. These are the common from it is these 3 files coming from master and extra 3 files I created in dev branch. Now from dev files and all I want to merge to master. Now we can't see here, right? So if you use this command, what is happening? Tell me anyone. Git merge. If I use dev, what is happening here?
All the dev files will be
All dev,
merged into
all
the
what are
master.
the new commits in dev? What are the new commits in dev? So those commits and all it is merging to master. Correct? What is our target? So I don't want to merge all commits. I don't want to merge all commits. I want to merge only specific commit ID. Correct? So that is our. So let me first we need to know that commits and all. Git switch dev. Now git log. Now see here. So these three are the dev commits. I don't want to merge these 3 commits. I want to merge only these 2 commit. Copy this one and so q means that is exit from the commit ID and all. Now switch that git swit say switch master. I want to merge master only, right? Whatever that is your wish. Anyway, in master I don't have any new changes. Git cherry hyphen pick space with commit ID you want to merge only this commit ID or this commit ID or this commit ID. Which one you want? I am going to merge only D2 D2 commit ID. So this commit ID I want to merge it. That's it. Copy, just paste it. Clear? So before this, let me check how many files in master. Now see here, we have only 3 files. Now I am using git pick space commit ID. I don't want all 3 commits ID. What is this? It is not copied. Let me copy this one. D1, this is the D2. Copy this commit ID and so git cherry hyphen pick hyphen commit ID. Okay. Now I'm in master branch. In master, we can see only 3 files. Now I'm committed one file. Now see here, one file changed, create mode and all. Now check it, ls. Now see here, earlier we can see only 3. Now I merged. Now I merged one commit. In that commit, what is the file name? This file, dev2.txt. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? Now, if you want to update in central, same git push. That's it. Okay. Now coming to here. Now what is this? In this browser it is not working. Okay. Now it is working. So click on this and master branch. See here. Dev2 also we can see here. Now clear. So now I use this is a command. So now I'm in master git cherry pick commit ID. So only one commit ID I merged dev branch to master branch. That's it. If you want to merge all commit IDs, whether we can go for merge or rebase. I don't want to merge all commits. I want to merge only specific commit ID. So that case we go for git cherry pick. So this is very important interview also. Interview many people. So they ask this question. What is git cherry pick? I hope now clear, right? So anyone any doubt still?
Clear, sir.
Yes, please.
This is the syntax. So this is the syntax very important. So these all are very important and they are asking what is git cherry pick. If they are asking what is cherry pick means, uh, suppose if you don't want to merge all commit IDs one branch to another branch. So you want to I want to merge only specific commit ID. And that case we go for git cherry pick and specific commit ID. Suppose we have 10 commit IDs, new commits. You don't want to merge all 10 commits. Okay. So I want to merge only specific commit ID. Only specific commit ID. And that case we go for git cherry pick command. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt till?
No, sir.
Okay, very important. Interview also. Interview many people they ask that one. Okay. Now we know git clean, git reset, git revert, and so git cherry pick also. Now, so one more command. So git squash command. SQUASH. Squash command. So this is very simple only. Suppose just assume. So which case we are using this command and all. For example, now this is my file, right? I am in master branch. I am in master branch and we'll take any one file. So git or git switch. I'm go to dev branch. Already newly I created, right? So now just now I created these are the files D1, D2, D3. So for this file as of now only one commit is there. Now I'm going to update same file multiple times. Now see here. So git if you want to update file, what is the command? Va space d1.txt. Okay. Insert. I means insert. Okay. Updated d1 d1. Okay. D1 first time. Okay. Escape colon. For your understanding, given so just I given some content. That's it. Whatever you want, pass. Now git add remaining story same only, and so git commit hyphen m and updated d1 first. Okay, comment message also I given proper way. Git push dev. Now same file I'm going to update same file only vi. So vi d1 dot txt. I means insert. Now I'm going to update same time updated d1 second time. You can easily understand that was so that is the reason I given same content and all. Okay, same git add git commit hyphen m updated d1 second time. So git push dev. Now same file how many commits? Two commits, total three. Now I'm going to do one more time. So vi so d1 dot txt insert updated d1 escape colon x git add git commit same story. Okay, updated d1 git push horizon dev. Now total how many commits same file? Tell me. First one commit id. Now I updated three times. Total how many commits?
4.
Four. Now same I am going to do one more commit. Okay. Now insert I updated d1 okay colon x. Now total 5 commits id. Git add git commit hyphen m updated d1. Okay. So git push now. So what is git squash command? So in real time same file we updated multiple times. We modified multiple times. The history will very large, right? File is same only one file. But in this file there is many commits IDs is happening. The history is very large. The history if you see here git log. Now see here same file. So same file there is one commit, there is one commit, there is one commit. So there is one commit already there. Here also one commit is there. If you go see here also one commit ID is there. Only file is same only, but same file we updated many times. The history is very large. If you want to track it very, right? So I want to make all these commit IDs single commit ID. I don't want this many commit IDs same file. Now I want to make it a single commit ID for all these commits. How many commits you want to make it a single commit ID? So that case we go for git squash command. So if you want to know more about see here git squash is a git feature to allow dev to simplify the git tree by the merging sequential commit into one another. I don't want this many commit IDs. I want to make it as some sequential commit IDs into one single commit ID. And that case we go for so this command. That case we go for this command. So that case we go for this command, and this is very simple only. Very simple only. Okay. Now if you want to understand, so here also they given very clearly. Just go through this one, and we can get more on this how it will work and all. Now I'm going to use this command. What is the command? Git class. So if you use this command commit, if you use this one, something. What is this? Something missing. We need to add. So this one also. Git squash and this one. Actually, git rebase and so how many commit IDs? Last how many? This is the. Just copy this one. So how many commits you want? So last 3 commits. So now I want last 4 commits. I don't want 3. Git rebase hyphen I. This is the head 4. Head is nothing but this is the latest commit ID. Here actually, if you see here, git log. Git log means what is the head? This is the head. Head is nothing but latest commit ID. So head is nothing but this is the latest commit ID. So if you want to see that the shortcut form, last class we seen, right? Git log hyphen hyphen one line. Now see here. So this same file and so see 4 commits, same file only. 4 commits happening same file only, and there also one commit is there. So now last how many commits you want to make it as single commit ID? I want to make this 3 or 4 commits. This is up to you. How many commits you want to make it as single commit ID? So that case we can use this is the command. So rebase, git rebase. So this is the command hyphen I. So hyphen I and head. This is the till symbol. Actually in keyboard, where is this? Last corner, left side. So shift, I want to make it as 4 commits. Rebase by typo error. Rebase. Okay. Git rebase hyphen I add tilde. Now it is asking, see here. So these are the I. I is nothing but insert mode. I is nothing but insert mode. Now these are the last 4 commits. Now see here. Now see here. This is the one commit ID and this is the second commit ID. This is the third commit ID. This is the fourth. Here it display only 4 commit IDs. Is there any reason only 4? Why it display only 4? Actually many commits IDs is there, but it display only 4. Why it display only last 4 commit IDs? Which command? Which one? What is I given a head?
We,
Here I
we have given
passed.
head 4.
4 number count 4 means last 4 commit IDs. I don't want 4. I want only 3, sir. So that case we can use only 3. You don't want 3. I want to give 10. We can give past 10 commit IDs. 10 means it will display 10 commit IDs. Okay. Don't confuse here. So based on this only it will display. So now I given a head till this is the 3. 3 means so here I given 4. 4 means last 4 commit IDs it display. It will display. Now, so see here. Now these are the, if you don't know anything, we can understand here. Now see here. P means pick commit ID. R means E. E means edit. So S means squash. So use the commit, but so meld into the previous commit ID. Now from up to which commit ID you want to make it a single commit ID, right? So now see here, here we have 4 commits ID. I want to here. I want to here. So what remove this pick and all. Just SQUA. What is the command? SQUA SH. That's it. So see here S squash commit ID. This is the commit ID. That's it. Remaining if you want to use whatever you want, we can use it. So for me, so these 3 commits, I want to make it a single commit ID. That's it. So previous here also we can understand if you use melt into the previous commit ID. So these three commits it is melting. You know, right? What is here also they given melt. So MELT meld. Okay. So it is make it as a single commit ID. Okay. I given here escape. That is your wish, guys. Not only here. Suppose I don't want the, so we can give here also, or we can give here also. So anyway, I want to make these 3 commits. I want to make these 3 commits. Okay. Escape colon colon X, save and quit. That's it. Okay. Now So quit now, modified escape colon X. Now see here, git detached had updated d1 third, and so file changed and 4 insertions. Okay, successfully rebased and updated references as well also. Now check the log, git log. So earlier we can see d1, see here, escape, q git log -1. Here also we can check it. Updated. This is the d1, d2, d3. Now it is updated. So if you see earlier, so what are the commits we can see here? So updated d1, updated first time, second time, third time, and this is the last commit ID, head commit ID. Now if you observe here, so we can see one is there, only two is there. Remaining it is a melt. So it is make it as two are only single commit ID. Already third also is there, fourth also is there. Now suppose if we have multiple commit IDs, so we need to give this number, and so based on this number only it will display. So for example, if you want to make it as 10, now I am giving only 1 or only 2, now I am giving 3. Okay, now see here, so it will display first, second, third. Now I am giving mm, S, I am giving all are squash. Okay, SQUASH. Okay, now I am giving all SQUASH. Now I am giving SQUASH. That's it. Okay, SH. Okay, any type of SQSS, SQSS, SQSS. Okay, now I given all three. Okay, first time, second time, third time also. Escape colon X. Now git log -1 line. Now see here. Now see here. Actually, the message and all. So it is gone, or we can see. So updated D1 first time, updated D2 second time, updated D3 third time. So like this, I given something. Now every commit I added squash, 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 squash. So now this is the it is right, melt git log. If you see here, so this is the D1, D2, this is the D3, and all are in a single commit ID. Now this is the first one, right? This is D1, D2, D3. Now there is no see here, we can't see updated messages. Earlier we can see messages, right? Updated. So D1 first time, updated D2, D1 second time. So those commits and all make it a single commit ID. So those and all make it a single commit ID. So that case we go for so this one. So if you want to make it at all this, next we can use remaining, and we can add this also, that same. If you each commit before, remove that pick and add is squash only. Same command only. So q, and so git. Now see, now it won't come. It is showing something. See here. So this is the different file, right? So this is the different file. This is the different file. This is the different file. This is different commit ID, different file. Now it won't display. So which case only it will display same file, multiple commit IDs. Same file, multiple commit IDs. So that case we can use this command. That case, so one or two guys they asked interview also. So I have a file, same file I updated many times. I make it as many times. I modified, I committed many times. The history is very large, commit history. I don't want this large. I want to make it a single commit ID. That case, so which command we go for? What is
Git
the
rebase
command?
and squash.
Squash.
Yes, yes. This is the syntax. So this is the syntax. Git rebase hyphen I head. What is the head means? Latest commit ID. Head means latest commit ID. Now here we need to give count. Same file, multiple commit ID. If we have any different and all, it won't display. Just now we observed, right? So this is the different commit, this is the different file, different commit. It won't display anything. See, it is showing error message. So I wonder if you are in the middle of the another rebase. So I can't do anything like this. It is showing blah blah blah. So if we have make it as same file, multiple commit IDs, and that case only we can use git quash command. This is very simple only. Just we need to practice it. That's it. Same file take single file and commit multiple times. And so that case use this command. I hope you got it right. So anyone any doubt here? Clear guys?
Yeah, clear, sir.
So interview also so 3-4 times they asked. So I have a file and I did multiple commit ID same file. The history is very large. Here history means git log. I don't want these unnecessary commit IDs. I don't want these unnecessary commit IDs. I want to make it as multiple commits into single commit ID. And that case we go for this command. This is very simple only. Even if you Google it, we'll get more on this. Just try it. Okay. Clear guys?
Clear, sir.
So that's it from my side.